And by the way, it is actually statistically proven that a human face, preferably yours, business owner, converts over 80% compared to not having a human face on the marketing content. So I know some of you would rather knock your own teeth out and go to the dentist than stand in front of a camera, but if you want to make more money, which you've all told me you do, you're going to have to do it, okay? Okay. Buddy up with someone to help you get that done, just checking on the time. All right, next thing that you can do to make more money is please don't forget your old customer list. Now I'm going to share something with you. Can I just say, I am not a cybersecurity expert and nor am I a lawyer, okay? Please do business at your own risk. But what I've heard someone has done before, and it worked really well, is download or connect your Stripe account to your Claude account, upload your entire past contact list, and get it to run a full customer intelligence report. Claude can actually go and find the domain URLs of the domains that the email addresses belong to, research those domains, and find out the job roles, the job titles, the industries that those particular customers are in. So now you know who your past clients are. Now you know who you can target out there in the big wide world, first of all. But secondly, it will tell you who are repeat buyers, who hasn't bought in ages, who's bought in the last 3 months, who bought 10 years ago. This is now going to give you a full list of who you can now directly outreach to. And Claude can write those outreach emails too. And it can even connect to your Gmail account and send the emails for you. What? Yeah. So just saying, I heard that someone does that. Anyway, next tip. Now I said the customer intelligence report. Knowing who all of your customers are, what industries they're in, this is going to change the game. So this is a little bit ninja now. Who here has heard of vibe coding? Who has no idea what I'm talking about? Excellent. Basically, vibe coding is when you go to a website. Some of you may have heard of one called Lovable. There are tons out there. You can go to a website and you can type something in. Literally just say, please build me an app that is X. Please build me a website that does Y. Now, I own Techmatics. We have this now just launched inside Techmatics. You can vibe code anything. But it doesn't matter what tool you use. Basically now, I did this exercise, maybe, and it said that we had loads of course creators in our business using Techmatics. It shows us that we had loads of OTs, showed us that we had PTs, showed us that we had tradies, right? The list goes on and on. So instead of just having your generic homepage or your generic sales page for your offer, your product, or your service, we went to the vibe code and I said, here is my main website homepage, Techmatics for business owners, just to give you context. Now please create one for course creators, just talking to them only. Now, can you see the difference if I run an ad now that is only targeted at course creators and they land on a version of my homepage that is just talking to course creators, how much higher that conversion rate is? Not to mention, I now hit a really specific search criteria in both AI and traditional SEO. Oh, guess what? You now clone that process at least 50 to 100 times. So you have 50 to 100 versions of your sales page, of your homepage, of your offer page, whatever it is, for either different locations, geographical locations, so that you hit geographical engine optimization too, but also for every single industry that you can possibly serve. My darling friends, your competitors don't stand a chance. Because they didn't come to Business Blueprint. Woo! Who is a little bit excited by this? This is a little bit ninja. Yeah, we got to give us a clap. Yes. Makes me feel good. Yeah, this is so easy, so simple. Now, FYI, this takes about 4 minutes per page and about 11 cents worth of AI credits. It just gets better.